Today we're making elderberry syrup. Today's a really cool recipe, and it's so much fun simply because we are making elderberry syrup using my Cuisinart. Now, for those of you who are saying, but I don't have a Cuisinart, I'm going to tell you, okay, that's no problem. What you're going to do in that case is you're going to take the ingredients, and that's the ingredients that I have here, and you are going to bring them up to a boil and then bring that down, simmer it for 45 minutes. If you have this wonderful Breadmaker, which can also do jam, you are going to add the ingredients just like this, and it is so simple. I have my 3/4 of a cup of dried elderberries. If you're wondering where you can get elderberries, you can click on the link which is below in the description and it'll show you where you can get elderberries. Then I have 2 tablespoons of ginger, and I'm using whole ginger root, 2 cinnamon sticks, and 1 teaspoon of ground cloves. Then I'm going to add 4 cups of water. Put that in there and set it on the jam cycle, and I have to do nothing with this now. Now if you are doing this on the stove, you're just going to put that into a pot, bring it up to a boil, and like I said, simmer it for 45 minutes. Once that is done, then we're ready for the next part. It is done cooking. I'm going to take this out, place it on my nice piece of whatever kind of stone that is. Then we're going to let this cool for just a minute or so. Then, after it's cooled for a while, I'm taking my old oven mitts and I'm going to pour the contents of this into a mason jar. Now don't worry, I'm not getting rid of all of that juicy goodness yet. Now while it's still here, I'm just going to give it a light stir. As you can see, there is still some of the good, wonderful juice coming out. But I'm not pressing it against the sides simply because I don't want any of the seeds to come out. Now, while this is still hot, I'm going to add 1 cup of honey. This is 1 cup of local honey. We're going to stir that, mix it in really well. Once this is cooled slightly, I'm going to give it a taste. That's really good. The elderberry has a distinct sweet, sort of, to me, like almost a dark blackberry kind of. It's an elderberry taste. I really can't tell you anything other than it tastes like elderberries. However, this would be really good in tea, lemonade, of course, which is what I made it for. You can then put it in just about anything. A lot of people do drink it for its medicinal purposes, which you'd have to look up on the internet to see what medicinal purposes it has. But this is really, really good. If you make this, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at cmcolemanhome. I love making these kind of recipes, and we are going to use this syrup, and I also made a pomegranate syrup. We're going to be using those soon to make some different kind of drinks and teas. But these things are great, and you can also put these on pancakes. Yeah, imagine this wonderful fruit type syrup on a pancake. So good. And I hope I get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.